Okay, so today we're gonna be looking at how to expand two brackets. So when we're expanding two brackets, basically what we're doing is taking everything in this first bracket here and we're timesing it by both the parts in this second bracket here. So we're taking everything in the first bracket and timesing it by the stuff in the second bracket. Now your teachers might refer to this as FOIL, and that's the method we're going to use. So to do this, I'm just going to rewrite these two brackets a little bit further down. So x plus 3 in one bracket and x plus 8 in another bracket. Now what we need to do is we need to take this first x and times it by the first term in the second bracket, which is an x. So x times x gives us x squared. And then we take our first x again and we times it by the second thing in the second bracket. So x times 8, x times positive 8 is plus 8x. So now we've timed all, x by everything in the second bracket. Now we want to times this 3 by everything in the second bracket. So we take this positive 3 and we times it by the first thing. So positive 3 times x is plus 3x. And then we take our 3 and we times it by the second thing in the second bracket. So positive 3 plus positive 8, which is positive 24, like that. So what we've done here is we've taken everything in the first bracket and multiplied it by everything in the second bracket. But we can simplify this by adding those two together. So we can take it one step further. So simplified, we'll have x squared plus 8x plus 3x is 11x plus 24. And that's our final answer. So to expand a bracket, we just need to take this first term and times it by both the things in the second bracket, and this second term and multiply it by both the terms in the second bracket, and then simplify it. Okay? So pause the video here, have a go at this right-hand example, and copy out the workings for this left-hand example, and then play the video once you're done, and I'll go through the answers with you. Okay, perfect. Hopefully you've had a go at working it out. So let's write it out down here. So we've got x plus 4, x plus 2, two brackets. Let's take this first term and multiply it by that first term there. So we've got x squared. Then we take our first term again. We multiply it by that second term. So x times positive 2 is plus 2x. Now let's take our second term and multiply it by this one here. So we have plus 4x. Let's take our second term and multiply it by the second term in the other bracket. So positive 4 times positive 2, positive 8. So now this looks good, but we can simplify it by adding those two terms together. So we end up with x squared plus 6x plus 8. And if you got that as your final answer, fantastic. Give yourself some ticks. Well done. Okay, I'll see you in the next video for the next example.